Direct replacement. This door check pin matches the fit and function of the factory part on specified years, makes and models. Ideal solution. This pin is a reliable replacement for an original part that is missing or has failed due to fatigue. Durable construction. This part is made from quality materials to ensure reliable performance and long service life. Trustworthy quality, backed by team of product experts in the United States and more than a century of automotive experience. Ensure fit. To make sure this part fits your exact vehicle, input your make, model and trim level into the garage tool. This door check pin is designed to match the fit and function of the original part on specified vehicles. Made of quality materials, it is engineered for reliable performance. This part is compatible with the following vehicles. Before purchasing, enter your vehicle trim in the garage tool to confirm fitment. Top reviews from the United States. Perfect fit. They were easy to install. I tried using the included pins in a cheap bracket replacement kit and they were not sized correctly. I had these on hand and they went right in with some tapping with a tack hammer and fit snug. No more loose pins and popping sounds when opening the door.